Hey, what's up, guys? This is Anagman is going to recap on the trade today. Traded on ATNX DPW CHMA, three stocks, and didn't do much return. But yeah, I mean, when I lose big, and getting it back takes a while. So I need to be very disciplined on taking my gains and cutting my losses quick. Yeah, um, let's go through that and see what happened today. The first trade I did was on ATNX, so let's get to ATNX. ATNX is going up like crazy right now. Let's see, there we go, ATNX. So this morning, uh, at 5 o'clock, I saw that this was going downhill, and so did my trend line, of course. And first, of course, it was right here. Let me fix that real quick. It was dropping down here, and yeah, right when I saw that it broke that trend line, I got in at 502, but then it didn't. Was waiting for the second candle, hoping that it was gonna go up higher, but it didn't, and so I decided to just take a small gain at RM51. Not bad, 100 shares, so it's pretty small. ATNX, of course, it was at 93 million shares, and so I didn't see the potential on that. I didn't see the rip out of the and out of 93 million shares, so I didn't see the potential on it being it going up, like parabolic. But intraday, of course, right the bell, it dropped so hard, and then poof, forget it. Anyway, next one, DPW. Oh man, this one I should have gone in with a bigger share. I saw this DPW jumping quite fast, right around 5:15 area there. Yep, there it is, 5:15. I was actually taking a break here, and I saw it at 5:22. He went up, chased it, 332 with 100 shares. I was not confident here because I lost money yesterday. Wanted to be a bit more cautious on my trade today, and so sure enough, made about 3% there, I believe, from 332. Let's see, 332 right about there, and exit at 342. That was about 6%. Huh. Okay. Didn't see that one. I mean, it says here about 3%. Yeah, that's what I thought. So I thought it was about 3%. So I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, chased this one. Well, not chased it. When I saw this dump, pulling back, I got in right there, right as it broke that previous high, and right when it broke, I got in. Oh, never mind. 332 is right up here, so I did bought slightly higher. Yeah, wait at the top there, chased it, I guess, and then sold it right there. Should have held it longer, but again, I was not confident in my trade. So, bought again here at 350, because I saw that there was a momentum coming, and so it was VWAPs below, it was above VWAP. 350 right there, made about another 3% here at 363, 3.4%, and then I bought again on at 367 area here, where it jumped. 364, sorry, 364, bought more, bought again, and then sold it at 376, I believe, for about close to 3%. gain. And so yeah, 2.75% gain. Um, yeah, I mean, I learned my lesson from yesterday, right? Once you're green, take it. Don't wait for too long. And I was not confident in getting in bigger share. I should have gone in with 1,000 shares, but was skeptical. And so right as it jumped up, should have probably made about 300 shares right there. But yeah, so as it's going down, I started looking at this. This is a Fibonacci fan, by the way. Here, let me remove that. Let me remove this too. If you guys have any questions on Fibonacci fan, let me know. But I love Fibonacci's. I do use Fibonacci. What is that? Retracement, and as well Fibonacci fans. Yeah, I know it clutters the chart, but it's not bad. As long as you know what you're doing, you know what you're looking at. I think that's what it's all about. So here it broke that trend line that I just drew. So there's a trend line right there, broke 338. I got in, right, and didn't capitalize, right? Should have been just in and out, but yeah, didn't capitalize on that. Let me remove that. I was doing that rectangle thing at around 6 o'clock. I wanted to see the high and the low of that, and sure enough, it wasn't going above that rectangle. I was hoping that it was gonna break through and then just continue being above VWAP, but boy, didn't sustain it at all. This rectangle. Did I say triangle or rectangle? Anyway, this rectangle right here is from the previous day, the before the closing. If you guys want to know about the rectangle thing, look up my first video on the recap. I explain about you look at the how you make this rectangle is you look at the highest before it closes and the lowest before it closes, and you make a rectangle on that. And you can base it off of that. If it stays above, it may be bullish, right? But if it drops below that, then yeah, it could be bearish. And so that's the reason why I made another one here at 5 and 6, made that rectangle, and yeah, it wasn't looking that strong. And so but yeah, so right here, right as it broke that trend line, I got in, but didn't do as well as I would hope. And so hope and hold, drop lower, bought more here with 200 shares. Again, not big shares. Didn't want to get trapped here again, and then it dropped hard. Got filled again. Low of this candle is 301. I got filled at 307. Low of this was what, 310. Got filled at 311. So not bad entries. Getting filled again here, and I wanted to sell right up here 330, but it was quite fast. I wasn't able to get out on time, and so it dropped. Got more filled here at 307, only 100 shares. Popped back up. I took 1,000 shares out, and the last one took another 500 shares there at 329, and so made about $133 on that. And so yeah, that's the trade that I did on DPW. And then of course CHMA popped earlier. What was going through my mind at this time? Oh yeah, I saw this at 535. It popped, and I wanted to buy the dip. So, but again, because I lost money yesterday, I was not very confident, And so here I wanted to buy some right here, because if you look at this, like if you drew Fibonacci retracement, or is Fibonacci retracement, there it is, 341 from here to here, from the high, right? You can see that it broke the 50%, and so it dropped down all the way to 61.8% here. This is where is the best place to get in. Okay, this is why I love Fibonacci. You know, because this is um, a movement that is sporadic, and so you want to do Fibonacci from the low and to the high, and then you want to see where the best entry is. And of course, the golden ratio is at 61.8% there. So yeah, if I gotten right here, I would have just make a quick in and out from here all the way to here. It's about 7%, but instead I continued, waited, you know, wanted to get it above VWAP, and so right when it went above VWAP, chased it to 410 and didn't sell it. Waited a little bit longer. It dropped back and then got in again 398, dropped lower, but I stayed with it, and then yeah, sold right up here, 200 shares at 414. So that was about 2.48% gain there. And then I saw this dropping down. Well, sorry, I had my limit buy here at 384 because of this Fibonacci. You see that 384, and so I forgot to cancel all my buys, my limit buy, and so I heard it on the alert that I bought something, and I was like, "Whoa, I bought something! What did I buy?" And saw that CHMA dropped, and then it went back up, and I didn't sell it up here. I thought, you know, I thought I was gonna going back up, and it didn't. So just make a quick buck. How many percent was that? 1.37%. Yeah, of course, off it goes. Should have bought, probably should have bought more here. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's the recap for today. Green day. Thankful that it's green. Hopefully tomorrow I can be able to be more aggressive on it, and maybe can make a little bit more than yeah, $300. Hopefully, we'll see. So yep, if you guys are trading, good luck, and yeah, take your gain early, guys. That's me at least. If you guys have any suggestions, or even someone who is, because I watch a lot of YouTube videos. If anybody has YouTube videos that can teach me how to hold longer, there's a pattern maybe that I can use, let me know. But anyway, $159, not bad. Hopefully I'll do better tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. All right, take care, guys.